Converge or diverge, sigma where n goes from 1 to infinity, parentheses nth root of 2 minus 1, and then raised to the nth power. Because we have the n in the exponent, so we can use either the ratio test or the root test, right? But then we will not use the ratio test because we have this nth root right here. Remember, for the ratio test, we had to do the an plus 1 business. Let's not do that because of that. So we will use the root test instead, and let me write it down right here for you guys. For the root test, we will check as n goes to infinity, and then we take the nth root and also the absolute value of the an. And let's see what this is going to turn out to be. So here we go. We are going to check as n goes to infinity, and then we first take the nth root, also with the absolute value, and we put this right here. We have the parentheses nth root of 2 minus 1 raised to the nth power. This is very nice because the nth root and the nth power, they cancel each other out completely, right? So you can do this and that, cancel each other out. And we have, this is the same as nth root of 2 minus 1. And let me just indicate this with a parentheses. Do we need absolute value? No, we don't. You can check with your calculator a couple numbers, plugging 2, 3, 4, and something. This is always positive. So we don't need the absolute value. And now we have to take a limit as n goes to infinity. But then what's the nth root mean? Well, in calculus, we almost always look at the root as the exponent. So this right here, we can look at this as, instead of the nth root of 2, let's look at that as 2 to the 1 over nth power. Can we do that? Yes, we can. And then minus 1. And then maybe this is helpful because it is. When we plug in infinity into here, we know this will approach to 2, and then the 1 is just a 1 over the n is the infinity. So let me indicate that right here. And then we'll have the minus 1, right? I should put a parentheses along the way. 1 over infinity is what? It's 0. So this is approaching to 2 to the 0 power and then minus 1. What's 2 to the 0 power? Well, that is 1. So once again, let me just put a parentheses along the way. 2 to the 0 power is 1, and then minus 1. What's 1 minus 1? Now, of course, approach to 0. Okay, we worked out the root test. This is the limit that we got, right? Is this useful? Yes, it is for the root test and also for the ratio test, by the way. 0, you indicate that this is less than 1. This is useful because we can draw a conclusion that the original converges. So let's just write it down. The conclusion is that the original sigma when n goes from 1 to infinity, parentheses nth root of 2 minus 1 to the nth power, this right here, converges, and then the way that we did that was by the root test. And we are done. That's it.